Welcome back to the Data Analyst. Today we are going to explore how to measure the accuracy of our time series forecast. We will be working with a small dataset to demonstrate the most common forecast error matrix, including mean error, mean absolute error, mean squared error, mean percentage error, and mean absolute percentage errors. I'll show you the formulas and then we will calculate them step by step using this data. This is the dataset for today's session. We have 5 years of data from 2000 to 2004. The columns include YT, which is actual observed value for each year, FT, which is forecasted value for each year, and ET, the forecasted error, which is simply YT minus FT. The formula for the error ET is simple. It's the difference between the actual value YT and the forecasted value FT for each year. If you want to learn more about forecast error, then go and watch this video. I will attach the video link into the description box. Now let's start with the mean error ME. This tells us the average bias of the forecast. A positive ME indicates underestimation while a negative ME indicates overestimation. So this is the formula for mean error. To calculate this, we sum all the errors and divide by the total number of years. So ME equal 5 plus 5 minus 8 plus 3 minus 3 divided by 5 equal 2 divided by 5 equals 0.4. So the mean error for this data is 0.4. Since it's close to 0, this indicates that on average our forecast is quite balanced between overestimation and underestimating. Now let's calculate the mean absolute error, MAE. This metric gives us the average of the absolute differences between YT and FT. It tells us how much our forecast differ from the actual values without considering the direction of the error. So this is the formula for MAE. We will take the absolute value of each error and then find the average. So MAE equal 5 plus 5 plus 8 plus 3 plus 3 divided by 5 equal 24 divided by 5 equal 4.8. Our mean absolute error is 4.8, meaning that on average the forecast differs from the actual value by 4.8 units. Next up is the mean squared error, MSE. This metric squares the errors before averaging them, giving more weight to large errors. So this is the formula for calculate MSE. Let's square the errors and then take the average. So MSE equal 5 squared plus 5 squared plus negative 8 squared plus 3 squared plus negative 3 squared. Divide by 5 equal 25 plus 25 plus 64 plus 9 plus 9 divided by 5 equal 132 divided by 5 equal 26.4. The mean squared error is 26.4. This value is useful because it emphasizes larger errors more than smaller ones. Next, we will calculate percentage error for each year and then find the mean percentage error MPE. This tells us the average percentage that the forecast deviates from the actual value. So this is the formula for percentage error. Percentage error for 2000 equal 5 divided by 50 multiplied by 100 equal 10 percentage. Percentage error for 2001 equal 5 divided by 45 multiply 100 equal 11.11 percentage. Percentage error for 2002 equal negative 8 divided by 40 multiplied by 100 equal negative 20%. Percentage error for 2003 equal 3 divided by 55 multiplied by 100 equal 5.45 percentage. Percentage error for 2004 equal negative 3 divided by 60 multiplied by 100 equal negative 5 percentage. This is the formula for calculate MPE. Now let's average these percentage errors to get the mean percentage error. MPE equal 10 plus 11.11 minus 20 plus 5.45 minus 5 divided by 5 equal 1.56 divided by 5 equals 0.31 percentage. The mean percentage error is 0.31 percentage, which means on average the forecast deviates from the actual value by a very small percentage. Finally, let's calculate the mean absolute percentage error MAPE. This gives us the average percentage error in absolute terms, removing any positive or negative bias. So this is the formula for calculate MAPE. So MAPE equal 10 plus 11.11 plus 20 plus 5.45 plus 5 divided by 5 equal 51.56 divided by 5 equal 10.31 percentage. So our MAPE is 10.31 percentage, meaning that on average our forecast deviates from the actual value by about 10.31 percentage. Let's quickly summarize all the forecast accuracy metrics we calculate today. Mean error ME equals 0.4, mean absolute error MAE equal 4.8, mean squared error MAE equal 26.4, mean percentage error MPE equals 0.31 percentage, mean absolute percentage error MAPE equal 10.31 percentage.